Hey everyone, and welcome back to Explore Van UK. If you've owned a van for more than a few years, you'll know exactly what this is. Cloudy faded headlights. Not only do they look tired, but they reduce visibility at night and can even cause an MOT failure. Today we're going to test out the Holts Headlight Restoration Kit to see if it actually restores clarity or if it's just another gimmick. So let's get on with it. We've heard a number of hacks for restoring headlights, from toothpaste to metal polish, but for the sake of not much more than £10 for everything we need in the kit to polish and seal the lights, it seems silly to mess around. We'll go step by step, show you the real before and after results, and let you know if it's worth the cost and effort.
Our headlights are probably quite far from failing an MOT, but they are noticeably cloudy, which not only doesn't look great, but will reduce the brightness. We got the kit from Amazon and it comes with everything you need other than water and a power drill. So let's have a look at what you get. There are 2 polishing cloths, abrasive polish, UV protective sealant, a polishing pad, various grades of sanding disc and a drill sanding attachment. There are also full instructions on the box. The first thing we're going to do is put the sanding attachment onto our drill and set it for a slow speed. Once we've made sure the lights are clean, we don't want to risk damage to the paintwork around the lights, so masking this off carefully is important. Then starting with the coarsest sanding disc, which is 800 grit, making sure the disc and headlights are wet with water, we start to slowly sand with the aim to remove any deep scratches and oxidation. The kit comes with 2 of each sanding disc, 1 for each headlight. If you find you're damaging the discs, you are probably running the drill too fast. Slow and smooth is the best way to get the best results. It's going to be a very boring video if we don't speed this up. After a thorough rinse, don't be surprised if the headlight looks worse than it did before. We're now going to use the next smoothest 1000 grit sanding disc. After rinsing again, we move to the 1500 grit. And then the smoothest sanding disc, the 3000 grit. Now it's time for the polish. So we attach the polishing pad and apply the polish pretty liberally to that pad, and then dot that across the light. This means you get fresh polish as you move around the light. Then once again, with slow speed and gentle constant pressure, we work our way across the surface of the light. Then making sure we've rinsed off all the polish before applying a thin layer of the UV sealant and buffing to a shine. It's surprisingly difficult to show how cloudy the lenses were before, but hopefully you can see the difference in this before and after. And here is a comparison before we do the second headlight. So this video does make it look a quick and simple job, but in reality, as you can see here, that process just to do one headlight took over an hour. So is the kit worth it? Well, it is affordable, everything is included, it does give noticeably good results, there's no specialist tools required, and it is great for DIY van owners. It does take effort, especially for heavy oxidation, and the results depend on how thorough you are. It's also noted that protection may need reapplying in 6 to 12 months, but for just over £10 this is significantly cheaper than replacing the headlight units, which could cost hundreds. So it does get a thumbs up from us. It's not magic, you do need to put the work in, but the results speak for themselves. We'll keep an eye on how it holds up over time, so make sure you're subscribed for some long-term updates. Thanks for watching our video, and as always, if you have any questions or feedback, please pop them in the comments below. If you find the video useful, please like, share and consider subscribing.